You guys think so far, huh? Got some pretty sweet cars here. I'm loving all the Coyote Swap Fox bodies. Oh, shoot, he friggin' bottle bombed me, god dang it. Anyway, let's go, man. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Tennessee. That's right, everybody. We're down here in Tennessee. That's right, we're hanging out here at the Street Classic 2.0, and we are in the shutdown area. As you can see behind me, there is the track right there behind me. That's right, we got ourselves a nice no prep event going on today. You know, Boosted 931, Sublime GT500, and myself, along with Hoosier Tire, we're putting on this event, and we're hoping it to be a really kick-ass, should be a real kick-ass event, you guys. Should be a really kick-ass event. We're really looking forward to this. We hope everybody that came out tonight enjoys the event. Check it out. We got beautiful blue skies, y'all. No rain. Supposed to be probably like 70 degrees today. 75, 80, something like that. I don't even know. Supposed to be nice. Anyway, let me turn this camera around and let me show you what we got going on here today.
Yeah, y'all don't. Yeah, so don't give them no money. Other than that, let's go make us a cruise, and we'll come back and draw chips and get the small tire guys and all that lined up, and we're going to have a good time and race. Big grudge race, but if you go out first round and you want to race him, bring him on.
All right, everybody. We're here in line with everybody here. We're getting ready to do the streetcar cruise. And then after that, should be time to race, everybody. We got Killer Kurt in the car with us.
What's up?
We're doing cleanup crew for this. We gotta make sure nobody falls out of line, dang it.
All right, we're getting up here to the checkpoint.
First race of the event. Nickel white versus the blue car. Terpsky right there. Oh yeah, Terpsky. Holy cow. Dang. Right when you need the fire truck, tire blows. Well, yeah, that's going to put a little damper in the event for a minute. Have to go back to the car, chill out for a little bit, regroup. Sad that that Mustang caught on fire. We talked to them when they first got here. They were really nice people. We thanked them for coming, and really sorry that this happened to them. But guess that's the luck of the draw, y'all. Last pass of the night.